Today, I'm teaching you health facts and benefits of eating avocado. Stay until the end and I will show you how to cut an avocado. Avocado is a green pear-shaped fruit, often called an alligator pear. It is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. Potassium is an important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Avocados are very high in potassium, which should support healthy blood pressure levels. Avocados and avocado oil are high in monosaturated oleic acid, a heart-healthy fatty acid that is believed to be one of the main reasons for the health benefits of olive oil. Avocados tend to be rich in fiber, about 7% by weight, which is very high compared to most other foods. Fiber may have important benefits for weight loss and metabolic health. Numerous studies have shown that eating avocado can improve heart disease risk. Factors like total bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol, as well as blood triglycerides. Eating avocado or avocado oil with vegetables can dramatically increase the numbers of antioxidants you take in. Avocados may aid weight loss by keeping you full longer and making you eat fewer calories. They're also high in fiber and low in carbs, which may promote weight loss. Avocados have a creamy, rich, fatty texture and blend well with other ingredients. Therefore, it is easy to add this fruit to your diet. Using lemon juice may prevent cut avocados from browning quickly. Now, take a look at how an avocado is cut. First, cut the avocado in half lengthwise. Twist the avocado. Now watch how we will remove the pit. Now scoop out the pulp and place into a bowl. When buying avocado for guacamole, buy soft avocado. I hope you enjoyed learning about avocados. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Until next time, bye bye now.